Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow us on Telegram. You'll find a link in the comment section. So, when you take a look at this GBPJPY, like I said before, we are heading straight to level of 180. That is our forecast or our target on GBPJPY. So, with what market is currently doing now, it looks like market wants to reject here multiple times. So, if this GBP JPY can break these lows, that would be awesome movement. It means we will continue that movement to the downside. If not, GBP JPY is likely to push up to this level and another drop. So our target is still to the downside. It just depends on how it plays. It could be we will start getting this drop from here, or GBP JPY might push up to this resistance level before it starts dropping. Whatever way, GBP JPY is ready for the drop. So we'll be looking to cover more on this on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you'll find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section, because right now we are currently running a 40% discount. So meaning you can learn a lot from this potential entry, what and what you should be looking out for, in-depth analysis on GBP, JPY, and every other things you'll be worth learning. We are going to cover it on a Patreon channel. So if guys you are interested in trading this properly, you can join us. You will see the link in the comment section.